Stay-at-home mamas, I have a side hustle for you that only takes 1 to 2 hours a day and will earn you an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month. It's completely legit, completely free. Let's go. You're going to head over to clickbank.com and you're going to push start here. From there, click on affiliate marketplace. You are going to choose a niche or niche that you want to promote in. So for me, I will just pick e-business and e-marketing. So from here, I'm going to look for products to promote that have a gravity score above 10. A gravity score means how quickly the product is selling. And then I'm going to look at the average conversion or the average affiliate payout amount. So from there, I will pick a product. So once you choose a product, you click promote, and then you'll put in your nickname and click create hop link. From there, you will copy the link that they give you. This is your affiliate link. Okay, so from there, you're gonna go to Pinterest and you're gonna push create pin. You're gonna choose whatever video or pin that you wanna create. You're gonna give it a keyword title, and you can search keywords in the Pinterest search link for your product that you're promoting. You're gonna want to do a keyworded description, and you can kind of grab your keywords from the search bar in Pinterest, and then your destination website is going to be your affiliate link that ClickBank provides you. And so from there, you're just gonna push next and post your pin. You will